How to get free Temu items. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Investnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get free gifts on Temu. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy. Temu offers you various options to get free gifts and items. You can enter the customized giveaways and such, but there is a way to earn free gifts as well easily. That is, you can open up the Temu application, log into your account, and on the search bar now you want to search in for free gifts. So you want to type in free space gifts and simply tap on search. Once you do so, it'll take you to the free gifts page. Here, as you can see, invite friends, get 10 free gifts and various offers here, and you can see I've got a special surprise here. So you'll be able to get various free gifts here. You can pick a free gift from here. Now daily, you want to come into here daily and see for various offers and such. So this is the way here. This is the page where you can get free gifts as well. Similarly, you can search for games and you can look in for games such as Fishland and such. Now so if I type in Fishland here, it will take me to a page, as you can see. Now these games and this free gifts option is available in certain regions and not available in certain regions. So you want to make sure that it's available in your region. If it says it's not available, then it is probably unavailable in your region. So hope this helped you. Like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.